Is this the...
I figured out how to put it together.
Me too.
You need to put it together.
Are you okay?
I love how I was just subtly playing the
It's not going to hit the table, but we're going to hold it out here. So, towards the bottom. You only want to go this thick.
There you go, all the way in. Come all the way up. There you go.
Should I become a ad?
Sure, just for your good thing.
Yeah, Johnson!
Who just farted?
That was literally Johnson. Don't do that. Look at there's bubbles. I know.
to me.
Let me try.
Don't you dare.
Is that the perch? Yep.
Me, Jamie, and Angus did the same exact one.
No, actually, this is a little bit larger.
Yeah, mine's bigger than yours. Haha.
Spitting all over me.
Stole my cheese.
Who stole my
Judson. Judson.
Ooh, my tongue looks like it has scary on it.
Like, it's